Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to install Google Play Store on FydeOS 22. So, if you want to install, first of all, go to Settings and scroll a little bit, and here you'll find FydeOS Settings. And in FydeOS Settings, enable Developer Mode. Click on here, Enable Developer Mode, and click Confirm. And now click on Restart. Log in with the password. Now he got it. Now again, just click on settings and open it. And here you can see, go to FydeOS settings and it's enabled. Now, open a browser and search for Google Play Store in FydeOS. And here is the link, install Google Play Store on FydeOS. Just open it. And here, you'll see some things. We've already done the developer mode enabled, and here is the second thing. You gotta disable root FS verification. Click on this tutorial, and that's it. Now here you gotta open cross. Minimize this. On your keyboard, press and hold Ctrl Alt and T together. That's it. Now type shell. Hit enter. Now again, go to the browser. And here is the command. Just click in here, copy, and minimize it. Right click in here and it's pasted. Hit enter. Now type Y to verify. Hit enter. Close it. So it's done. And now again, we gotta reboot your PC. Restart. Again, log in with password. Now click on the app launcher, and here click on store. Now here you'll find configure GApps. Click on it. Click on add. It's downloading. Click on add app. And when it's downloaded, click on open the app. Check this box. Click on next. Now here choose install and click on next. Now here, click on OK, and the installation process has been started. You gotta wait here 5 minutes. Now you can see it's done. Now again, you gotta restart your PC. Click on reboot now. Log in with password. Now, just click in here and open Android. Click on I agree and click on launch. Okay, now it's done. You can close it, and here you can see Play Store icon is there. Click in here, click on sign in, and sign in with the Gmail account. I agree. Now you can see Google Play Store is working perfectly. It's perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.